$17 for a pound of octopus sushi at Costco. Let's give it a try. The product is fully cooked and it comes vacuum sealed along with some gelatin. Let's go ahead and get this washed off and onto the board. Nice. Before we process it, let's try the tip end. Good textures and flavors. Let's start by shaving off the chewy skin off of both sides. Next, I'm using a technique called namigiri. It means wave in Japanese due to these small wave-like textures. Now let's make some sushi. A little dab of wasabi, put the rice ball in, squeeze, rotate, squeeze. The octopus is too firm to be molded onto the rice and thus gets a strip of nori to hold it in place. Looks beautiful, let's give it a taste. It's tasty, but oh boy, I put way too much wasabi in that one. The octopus is cooked to a great texture. It's not too squish and it's not too chewy either. The flavor is on point. Fresh, slightly sweet, and with a briny taste. It's my mom's favorite sushi piece, so naturally it's one of mine as well since I grew up eating it all the time. I would say the highlight for this is probably the price. A similar octopus leg at the local Japanese market costs about 3 times as much, although it is much thicker. 7.8 out of 10 and highly recommended.